Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class guys, and as you all know, this is your Prodigy series for CBSE 10th and we are starting a new topic, that is coordinate geometry, right? So CBSE has updated the term 1 and term 2 syllabus. They have told what are the chapters are going to be there, and now all of you are already aware that coordinate geometry is going to be your chapter in term 1, right? And from this chapter one topic has been deleted, that is area of a triangle. So now this chapter consists of distance formula and the section formula. All right, so since we are starting this topic today, so this is a term 1 session, very important. I have already covered real numbers, polynomials, linear equation in two variables, and triangles from the term 1. The remaining sessions also will be completing very soon before the term 1. Don't worry about that. All right guys, so let us start the class. Those students who are new here, guys, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have been teaching from the past 5 years. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad and you can see my credentials on your screen. All right. So beta, in this coordinate geometry, we'll be learning the coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? What is distance formula, section and midpoint formula? This topic is reduced now. This topic is removed from your syllabus now. Okay? So only 3 topics we have. So we'll be starting with a introduction and distance formula. Area of triangle will might not do it because already it has been removed from your syllabus. Okay? So today we'll be talking about distance formula. All right. Now by the end of this class, I'll make sure you'll be able to solve this kind of question. Okay? You can go through this question. A, B, C, D are the angular points of a parallelogram. Is this figure a rectangle? So first you have to show whether it is a parallelogram, and then how can we prove a parallelogram to be a rectangle using coordinate geometry. That's what we are going to understand by the end of this class. Okay? So bacha, in grade 9th we have already done the basics Cartesian plane in which your x and y axis are present, and x axis is the horizontal one, y axis is the vertical one. We write the coordinates in ordered pair, first x coordinate and then y coordinate, right? So x coordinate is also called abscissa, y coordinate is also called ordinate. Then we know that these axes intersect at a point which is called origin, and these two axes divides the Cartesian plane in 4 regions which are called quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. All right, okay? So also we know that how does the sign of x coordinate and y coordinate lies in that. For example, in the first quadrant both x as well as y is positive. In second quadrant x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant both x and y coordinate is negative, and in fourth one x is positive, y is negative. All right. So just by looking at the coordinates, we can easily tell in which quadrant is that point going to lie. Okay. Now, why do we understand coordinate geometry, or why do we learn coordinate geometry? Okay. So this has been developed as an algebraic tool for studying geometry of figures. See how important it is. Because we need to study the shapes and all. And now we want to study triangles, we want to study circles. Now, how do I represent those shapes algebraically? How do I represent a line which is a geometric figure? How do I represent that line in the form of its variables? So we know linear equation into variable will represent it. Now how to represent that? For that we have developed coordinate geometry, which will tell us how the line is going to look like. If I draw a line, what will be the equation of that line? When you go to higher grades, you learn the equation of circle, you learn the equations of parabola, all these things you are going to learn. And also like its use, so you can say they are used in various physics such as physics, engineering, navigation. Your Google Map GPS works on coordinate geometry, and seismology, the earthquake, they measure the earthquake using coordinate geometry, where is the epicenter, all these things. So it's an important topic, very useful and very important topic for your higher grades as well, bachcho. Very important. coordinate geometry is a very big topic in your IIT JEE and a scoring topic as well. Okay? So guys, one more thing before I move ahead, let me tell you that my micro courses are going on the Vedantu's Pro subscription classes. है ना? So for this month I am talking about coordinate geometry and similarity of triangles. Okay, if you want to continue, you can tell me your suggestion which topic you want in the comment section and join the pro course so that you can pro subscription so that you can join my micro courses as well on the pro platform. Okay, next month I will be getting with some another micro courses as well. So be on the pro subscription and eventually you'll be able to learn all the topics from me. Okay guys, now coming to the point of distance formula. Now suppose if I have a point A whose coordinate is, let's say, x1 comma y1 and a point B whose coordinate is, let's say, x2 comma y2. All right bacha. So now I can say, sir, from here to here the distance is x1 and from here to here the distance is x2. So this remaining distance will be x2 minus x1. Similarly, from here to here distance is y1. From here to here the distance is y2. So obviously this distance is going to be y2 minus y1. है ना? Now you will see, suppose this is a point, let's say C. This ABC is a right angle triangle. Since ABC is a right angle triangle, I can clearly say AC square plus BC square is AB square. है ना? So beta AC is x2 minus x1 whole square, BC is y2 minus y1 whole square, and AB is the distance between the point A and B, so which is D square. Do the square root on both the sides, you will get your distance formula. D is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay? Now you will ask, sir, if suppose 2 points are given, how do I know which point is x1 y1, which point is x2 y2? Anything. The answer is you can choose any point to be x1 y1, the other point will be x2 y2, and then you can use the formula. Okay? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So since square is there at the top, no matter which point you are going to take it as x1 or x2, it will not change or will not alter much. Okay bacha? ठीक है. अब suppose if you have to find out the distance of a point P from origin, so it will be, suppose if it is x2 minus x1, if I'll do x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So from origin directly we can say square root of x square plus y square. ठीक है बच्चों? Now moving ahead, we'll be solving some very important questions. But before I move ahead, let me tell you one thing, guys, that as you have seen this time, we have two terms, and term 1, term 2, the syllabus also, chapter distribution also is out right now, and term 1 is comparatively difficult, right? You have seen chapters are more, chapters are lengthy, triangles, linear equation in two variables, polynomials, coordinate geometry, all right, all these topics are there, and you want a support system right now who will be guiding you, because this is new for you, very new for you. You want something where you get all the new kind of questions, MCQs will be practiced to you, and you get maximum questions as you can get. So that is required for you right now to ace in your examination, and for that Vedantu is a very good choice for you, because it is a reliable source. Why it is reliable, beta? Because it gives you promise for improvement, and let me tell you very clearly, it's not just promise, it's guarantee. It's guaranteed improvement. That means when you join Vedantu, we will say that beta, it's not like you can improve, it's you will improve. That's a guaranteed improvement. And if you don't improve by the end of our end of the year, it's as simple as that. Take your whole course fee back, will not take anything from you. All your whole course fee will be returned back to you if you don't see any improvement. Okay? Only thing we want is when you join the course, at least attend 75% of the classes and 75% of the test. That's a very small requirement, yeah. 75% is what? Very small thing, right? But there is guarantee that you will definitely improve. So that's the first reason. Now, what are the features you are going to get in Vedantu's Pro classes? So guys, first thing, You can attend as many classes as you want. There is no restriction on the number of classes, unlimited live classes, all classes filled with amazing quizzes. Also, students will be from the different parts of the world, so you'll be able to interact with them, you'll be able to learn from them, they'll be able to learn from you. So you'll be a part of a greater community, है ना? You'll be making friends from all over the world, and you will be able to interact with each other, and you'll also get to learn from each other, है ना? Social learning also you can do over here. Also interactive replays, that means even while watching the recording of a class, you'll be able to attend the quiz, you'll be able to see the marks for that and your name in the leaderboard if you're performing good. So even watching the recording can help you that how much you have understood the session by attempting the quizzes. Okay? Then notes in the handwriting of past teachers, test, assignments, everything at one place. Also, in the classes of Vedantu, other than the master teacher, we have dedicated teachers present in the class, connected with you throughout the class, and their work is to take care of your doubts. So that means we have dedicated teacher just to take care of your doubts. You can understand that how much it is important for us that our students who are getting any doubts during teaching, all of that must be resolved, right? So whatever doubt you are getting right will be resolved within the class. None of your doubts will go unresolved. Okay? Then there are unlimited micro courses and crash courses to choose from, and with the help of those, like suppose if you want to study any topic in advance, go for its micro course. If you want to revise any subtopic with some live classes, go for its micro course. You want to say meet different teachers, learn from different teachers, go for their micro courses. So that's how it is going to serve your purpose. So guys, remember all these features you are getting at a very genuine price. And so less is more, less price, more classes. The registration link is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. And remember guys, GPE Pro. This is your coupon code and this is going to get you 10% off. And it is going to be the minimum price at which you'll be getting these courses. 10% off, straight 10% off. Let me show you how. Let me show you how you'll be able to avail this benefit. All right. So for example, guys, let's say this is a video. Now in this video, you can see either in the comment section here, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, link is given, or you can click in the description box and here you can see register for Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on this link. Once you have reached over here, you have grade 10th. All right, now you can select your code. All right, you want from CBSE or ICSE, you want to study foundation courses, advanced preparation for your JEE NEET, Maharashtra board, also NTSE crash course is also available. For example, if I'm joining CBSE, okay, I've clicked CBSE now. Now grade 10 CBSE, we have 3 courses: Pro Light, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Okay, bacha. Now you can see GPE Pro is applicable over here, and you can see the prices changing instantly with 10% off. So these are the prices for all these 3 courses after the applying the coupon code GPE Pro over here. All right, beta. You can take these courses for 1 month if you want to try it, and then you can buy the complete course, and when you'll take the complete course, you'll get VIP, Vedantu's Improvement Promise. Now you'll ask me, sir, what is the difference between these 3 courses and which one is going to be the best one for me, right? So let me tell you what will be the good one for you, and then you decide in which category you'll find out the maximum benefit. So Pro Light is our most basic course, and it comes with all the features which I have told you till now. That means live classes, test series, assignments, notes, doubt solving in the class, everything will be present with Pro Light only. Okay? So it is for those students who are highly motivated and they are very interested in the subjects, they understand, they just want that a good teacher explains the concept them nicely, and they understand the concept in detail, and rest all they'll be able to solve it. So for them, Pro Light is a very amazing course because the classes are going to be amazing with all your favorite master teachers. Then comes Pro Classic, a Pro Classic for whom it is beneficial. Because some of you, like sometimes I am also that kind of student when I was young, I used to understand everything in the class. But when we start solving the question on our own, we feel difficulty, we might get doubts, and then those doubts, if it doesn't get resolved at that moment, we start feeling demotivated, right? It happens to all of us, right? So for those students who understand everything in the class, but after the class, when they solve the questions on their own, they start getting doubts, for them Pro Classic is the course, because it gives you one extra feature, which is doubt solving on mobile app. So whenever you got doubt while doing self-study, click the photo of that doubt, post it in the doubts app, and your doubt will be answered with an explanation to you. Okay? Then comes Pro Plus. So Pro Plus is for those students who, let's say, want more personalized way of learning. They want a personal teacher who will listen to them and who will hear their problems, who will guide them personally, ki beta you do this, study on this, and who need a rigid support system, who are struggling with subjects sometime. They want their doubts is solved by the teacher in personal, in detail. So for them, Pro Plus is the course, because here, other than the doubt solving on mobile app, which was present in Pro Classic, one more feature is there, that is personal mentor. Okay, so personal mentor will take care of all your problems and they'll make sure this difficult journey becomes a smooth one for you. All right, guys, any other query you have which I was not able to answer, please go to the bottom of this page, and here you'll be able to see frequently asked question. See your question over here and you can get the answer for that. Now let me show you how does notes and review, like how can you see the notes of the classes and how you can watch replay. So I'll go to the past classes over here. I can click on replay. Once I'll click on replay button, beta, you can see I have entered into the classroom setup. This is the screen where I'm going to write. Here you're going to see me. Here you'll be seeing quizzes. Right? So you can see everything. All right. So now here you'll be able to attend the quizzes as well. All right. Now if you want to watch notes of that class, just click on get notes and you'll be able to get the notes of that class. How easy it is. How easy it is. Right? Correct, guys? Okay, bacho. So this is what features you are getting, and join it once. I'm telling you, you'll definitely enjoy. Okay, bacha. Chalo, now let's look at some questions. First question. Find the distance between the points. What will be the distance between these two points? So here I can directly use a formula, distance formula. Let's say this is x1 comma y1. Let's say this is x2 comma y2. So I can say distance between AB will be x2 minus x1 whole square. So minus 5 minus of 7 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1. So 1 minus of minus 4. y2 minus y1. So 1 minus minus 4. So minus of minus 4 will become plus 4 whole square. So you'll be getting square root of minus 12 whole square plus 5 square. Now it is very easy. All of you know 144 plus 25, which is equal to 169, which means 13 units. All right. So the distance between these 2 points A and B is 13 units. Okay. Clear hai beta? Direct formula question. Next one. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. ठीक है बच्चा? Try to understand this question. देखो, I'll just first try to draw a diagram and explain this question to you. देखो, first point is x coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 9. All right, so let's say this is somewhere over here, and the other is x coordinate 2, y coordinate 5, somewhere over here. All right, so let's say this is point A and let's say this is point B. We want a point on x-axis, ठीक है, somewhere, some point on x-axis. I don't know where it is, some point on x-axis, let's say point P, such that the distance of point P from B as well as the distance of point P from A is equal. ठीक है, B is minus 2 comma 9 and A is 2 comma minus 5. So we need to find out the point P which is on x-axis and its distance from the point A as well as from point B is same. ठीक है? तो now बेटा देखो, I don't know what is the coordinates of P. So I can say कि sir, since it is on x-axis, we know x coordinate can be anything, but y coordinate of P is definitely 0. X coordinate of P can be anything, but y coordinate of P is definitely 0. So let's say the point which is on x-axis they are asking, that is a point P whose coordinate is x comma 0. This is point A, this is point B. Now since it is equidistant, equal distance, whenever you hear the word equidistant, remember guys, PA is equal to PB. That means distance between P and A is same as distance between P and B. So what will be the distance over here? Distance between P and A, use the distance formula. Alright, so x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 5 is 0 plus 5 whole square is equal to PB. What is PB? So PB will be x minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square, right? So if I do square on both sides, the square root will be gone. So we'll be left with x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square, and here we have x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Now let's solve this. So it will be x square minus 4x plus 4, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and plus 5 square is 25, and here a square plus 2ab plus b square and minus 9 whole square is 81. X square to x square got cancelled, plus 4 to plus 4 got cancelled. Shift 25 over there, 4x over here. So this plus 4x shifted there will become minus 4x. So it is minus 8x, and 81 minus 25 will be 6, and minus 2 is 5. So what will be x? X will be 56 upon minus 8, which is minus 7. So we have got the value of x as minus 7. That means the coordinate of point P will be minus 7 comma 0. So P is minus 7 comma 0, and the distance between P and A and P and B will be equal. Okay? So important thing is equidistant. Whenever you hear the word equidistant, remember PA equal to PB. Make the distance equal. As simple as that. Okay? One more thing to remember beta over here. See very well that it's not necessary P is the midpoint of AB. Many students will think, "Arey sir, it is so easy, draw the line AB, its midpoint will be at equal distance." Okay, midpoint will be at equal distance, but there are other points as well. So whenever it is equidistant, always use this PA equal to PB. Okay? Done? Chalo, let's go for the next question. A, B and C are the vertices of a right triangle with angle B equal to 90 degree. Find the value of T. Okay, so guys, if I draw the diagram, if I draw the diagram like this, I can say sir B is with 90 degree. Okay, A is 5 comma 2, B is 2 comma minus 2, and C is minus 2 comma T. And they're asking what is the value of T. So yaar, if it is a right angle triangle, first let's find out all the three distances. First, let us find out all the three distances. And the main thing is, since it is a right angle triangle, I can definitely say that sir AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So distance between AC will be 5 minus of minus 2 is 5 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus T whole square. Since it is whole square over there, so that square root is gone. Alright, is equal to, what is A plus B? AB whole square. So AB whole square will be 5 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 will be plus 2 whole square. So this is AB whole square plus BC. So 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, and minus 2 minus T. Minus 2 minus T whole square. Okay, This is the formula. So I can say 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 square is 49. 2 minus 2 whole square is 4. 2 square is 4 plus t square minus 2 into 2 into t is minus 40 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. Minus 2 minus t whole square. So देखो minus 2 minus t whole square will be same as 2 plus t if I take negative common. है ना? देखो if I have minus 2 minus t whole square, alright, minus 2 minus t whole square, it will be minus 2 minus t into minus 2 minus t. If I take negative common from the first bracket, it will be minus of 2 plus t. Take negative common from the second bracket also, minus of 2 plus t. Negative into negative will become positive, which is nothing but 2 plus t whole square. Okay? So if there is a square and you take negative common, that will be gone. So it is nothing but 2 plus t whole square only. So it will be 2 square is 4 plus t square plus 2 into t, which is plus 4t. A plus b whole square formula I have used. Okay. Now guys, understand. T square cancelled. 4 to 4 got cancelled. Alright. Shift this 49 over here and plus 40 over there. So you'll get minus 8t. And here 16 plus 16, 32 plus 9. 32 plus 9 is 41. Alright. So 41 minus 49 you have. So you got minus 8t is equal to minus 8. This to this got cancelled. T is equal to 1. Easy. Bhai dekho, the main hint was right angle triangle, and I know whenever I hear right angle triangle, I don't know, even if you'll wake me up in the morning 4 o'clock and you tell me sir, right angle triangle, the first thing I'll say is Pythagoras theorem. है ना? I'll not even hear the question, I'll say try Pythagoras theorem once. Right or wrong? है ना? It happens. तो बस Pythagoras theorem. है ना? Correct? चलो, let's go for the next question now. Next question, before I go, guys, please join Vedantu's Telegram group. Alright, because there you will be getting all the latest updates regarding the channel, schedules you'll be getting over there, and also you can connect with your master teachers over there as well. Okay, now next, show that the points O, A, B are vertices of an equilateral triangle and find the area of this triangle. So how do I show that? Simple na guys. Prove that all the sides are equal. So let's see what is the distance O and A. So O and A distance will be 3 minus 0 whole square plus root 3 minus 0 whole square, which is 3 square is 9, root 3 whole square is 3, which is root 12. Okay. Let's see what is OB. OB will be 3 minus 0 whole square. Then here we have minus root 3 minus 0 whole square, which is again root of 9 plus 3, which is again root 12. Let's see what is AB. So AB will be, let's say 3 minus 3 whole square plus minus root 3 minus root 3 whole square. Okay? So 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 whole square, and minus root 3 is what? Minus 2 root 3 whole square. So 0 square is 0. Now let's do the square of 2 root 3. Because negative into negative will become positive. 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 3s are 12, which is again root 12. So we can say OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. So clearly triangle OAB is equilateral. It is an equilateral triangle, and if it is an equilateral triangle, I can write its area as root 3 by 4 into side square. So it is going to be root 3 by 4 into root 12 whole square, which will be root 3 by 4 into 12. 4 ones are 4 3s are 3 root 3 square units. This is going to be the area of the triangle OAB. Alright, this is going to be the area of the triangle OAB. Done. Alright, bachcho. ठीक है. Chalo, let's go for the next question, and this is our star question right now. First thing, show that the points A, B, C, D are the angular points of a parallelogram. Angular point means vertices. They are the vertices of a parallelogram. Is this figure a rectangle? है ना? So let's say कि भाई this is A, B, C, D. We don't know. Let's say, है ना? So A is 2,1, B is 5,2, C is 6,4, and D is 3,3. Now in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. ठीक है? So first let's see what is AB. Distance between AB will be square root of 2 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 whole square, which is 9, and 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 plus whole square is plus 1, which is root 10. All right. Then let's see what is BC. BC will be equal to square root of 5 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square. Guys, I have told you, out of B and C, you can take any one as x1, y1, any one as x2, y2. Answer will remain same. So it is become 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4, which is root 5. Then let's look at the length of CD. So CD we are getting as 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 square is 1 only, which is again root 10, and AD is nothing but 3 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 square is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, which is again root 5. So guys, you can clearly see AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. So since opposite sides are equal, that means I can say ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ठीक है, first part done, show कर दिया. अब देखो next, is this figure a rectangle? How do I know that whether a given parallelogram is a rectangle or not? How do I go from parallelogram to rectangle? Now many students will think, sir, prove that the angles are 90 degree between them. Yes, prove that the angles are 90 degree between them. But we have not learned till now how to find out the angle between two lines in coordinate geometry. है ना? So that is not going to work. That is not going to work. 90 degree तो I cannot prove. I don't have enough knowledge to prove that 90 degree. What else can be done next? है ना? Think about it. What property you can use, and if you have learned it, if you have understood it, let me know in the comment section right now. है ना? Isn't it amazing if you have got it, beta? है ना? Correct. And guys, before I move ahead, yeah, since we are solving a very important part of this session, I would like all of you to please like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because such amazing videos every day you're getting. What else you want, right? Okay, chalo. Now, how do I prove a parallelogram to be a rectangle? Dekho, angles I cannot deal with, but there's a very unique property in rectangle with which I can distinguish ki haan, it is only parallelogram, but it is rectangle. That is, in a rectangle, diagonals are equal. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal. So dekho, if I find out the length of AC and BD, if the length of AC and BD is equal, diagonals are equal, I can say ABCD is a rectangle. But if the length of diagonals are not equal, I'll say it is not a rectangle. Okay? So let's now find out the length of AC and BD. So what will be AC? AC will be 6 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, which is 5 units. Let's find out BD. So BD will be square root of 5 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 minus 3 is -1, -1 square is +1, which is √5 units. So guys, I can clearly say that AC is not equal to BD, and that is why I can say ABCD is not a rectangle. Okay, that is why I can say ABCD is not a rectangle, because diagonals are not equal. And if I would have got diagonals as equal, I can definitely say it is a rectangle. Okay, bacha. So this is how this question will be done. All right. So with this, we are done with all the important questions from distance formula. I am giving you this as your homework question. Show that the points A, B, and C are vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, that you will do. You have to tell me what will be its area. Tell me the area, and remember, guys, do the homework now. Sometimes later become never. All right. So always never procrastinate, guys. Whatever work you have at hand, whatever it is, like if it is very urgent, very important, finish it at that moment. Never be it, I'll do it later. Never do that. All right. So this is your homework question, guys, and you know what to do with it. You'll solve it. Let me know what is the answer for this homework question in the comment section down below, and I'll explain this question in the next class. And those who will give me the correct answer, they'll be our star students, and I'll show their names in the next session. So do check the next session also for seeing the star students and seeing your name if you have given the correct answer. Okay, guys. So I have already told you about Vedantu's Pro subscription. And the best thing is, this price which you are paying right over here is not only for, say, completing your syllabus only once. It is like you can complete your syllabus as many times as you want, because it gives you unlimited micro courses. Okay, bacha? Also, it gives you a promise of improvement, and that's a guaranteed improvement. And if you don't improve, take the whole course fee back. Alright, guys. So the batches are starting very soon, guys. You can see, and please don't delay ki yaar, when the batch will start, that time only I'll join. And CBSE batches for 9th, ICSE for 9th, Maharashtra Board 9th, 10th batches over here. So now is the time, guys. Be as quick as possible. If you'll take it now, the meanwhile, if suppose batches are starting some late, the meanwhile time you can utilize for interacting with other master teachers using micro courses, because micro courses are still there. Start completing your syllabus micro courses, guys. Term 1 is very near. Do go for the Vedantu Pro subscription as soon as possible. Alright, guys. So thank you so much, and don't forget GPE Pro code for getting 10% off. Alright, guys. So with this, I'll take your leave. Thank you so much, guys, for attending the session, and I hope all of you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon in the next class, and till that, subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys.